Hi, welcome to Yoyol, your smart companion for digital learning. In this quick tutorial, I'll teach you how to create a Yoyol account in just a few simple steps. To begin, visit yoyol.ai and click the login button. You will be taken to the Yoyol login page where you will find a field asking for your email address. Type in your email address you'd like to use for your Yoyol account, then click the button named Send OTP. In a few seconds, you will receive an email from Yoyol containing a one-time password. This code helps us confirm that the email truly belongs to you and keeps your account secure. Once you have found the message, copy the OTP numbers and then paste them on Yoyol and hit submit. You will be redirected to your personalized Yoyol dashboard, where you can start exploring classes, lessons, and the tools that make learning smarter and more engaging. Simple, fast, and secure. That is how easy it is to create your account with Yoyol.